I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream prismatic in Grow a Garden updated. Chill your mixing bowls, prepare a stabilized ice cream base, and plan colors. Start with a neutral vanilla base and divide into portions. Blend each portion with different mica powders or natural dyes to achieve prismatic hues. Pour layers gently, flash freeze between pours, and store in a sealed container to preserve texture and color harmony. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream prismatic in Grow a Garden updated. Gather tools like silicone molds, a hand blender, and a reliable thermometer. Select pigments that are food-safe and designed for frozen desserts to avoid separation. Pre-chill the container and work in a cool room to slow melting during layering. Measure ingredients precisely, especially stabilizers, to ensure smooth texture and vivid, suspended prismatic effects. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream prismatic in Grow a Garden updated. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated during long kitchen sessions. It keeps drinks cold and fits easily near your prep area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream prismatic in Grow a Garden updated. Prepare a palette of colors ahead and test small samples for opacity and vibrancy. Add pigments in small increments and record ratios for repeatable results. Pour each colored portion slowly, freeze solid for a short period, then add the next layer. Rotate flavors or textures subtly to enhance prismatic appearance while keeping a cohesive taste profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.